Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the color theory. Before we get started in learning the color theory in its entirety, we're first going to review the colors of the rainbow. Let's start with red. Red's a primary color, it's complementary to green, and it is a warm color. And please be aware that it is okay if you do not know these terms immediately, like primary color, complementary, and warm color. We will discuss these later on in the video. Next we have orange. Orange is a secondary color, it is complementary to blue, and it is classified as a warm color. Next we have yellow. Yellow is a primary color, it is complementary to violet or purple, and it is classified as a warm color. Now we have green. Green is a secondary color, it is complementary to red, and it is classified as a cool color. Next in the rainbow we have blue. It is a primary color, it's complementary to orange, and it is a cool color. Finally, we have violet, otherwise known as purple. It is a secondary color, it is complementary to yellow, and it is classified as a cool color. After discussing the colors of the rainbow, let's talk about primary colors. The primary colors consist of red, blue, and yellow. You can remember these colors by the acronym R, B, and Y. These primary colors are then mixed to create secondary colors like purple, orange, and green. These are the results of the combinations of red and blue, red and yellow, and blue and yellow. And theoretically, primary colors can be mixed in different combinations to create any color imaginable. Now that we have reviewed primary colors, let's move on to talk about secondary colors. Secondary colors are created by mixing two primary colors. These color combinations include red and blue, both primary colors, making purple or violet, red and yellow, both primary colors again, making orange, and finally yellow and blue, which are both primary colors, make green, a secondary color. In total, there are 3 primary colors and 3 secondary colors. After reviewing both primary and secondary colors, let's move on to tertiary colors. Rather there being 3 tertiary colors, like primary and secondary, there are actually 6 tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are created by mixing both a primary color and a secondary color. Now that we've reviewed the meaning of tertiary colors, let's move on to our first one, red-violet. Red-violet is created by mixing red, a primary color, and violet, a secondary color. When these two colors mix, they make a darker shade of red, as violet, the darker color, overrides red, the lighter color. Now let's move on to another tertiary color, red-orange. Red-orange is created by mixing red, a primary color, and orange, a secondary color. In this instance, red, the darker color, overrules the lighter color, orange, to create a darker shade of orange. And as you can see from the example of red, each primary color pairs up with 2 secondary colors to create 6 tertiary colors. Now let's move on to our next tertiary color, yellow-orange. Yellow-orange is created by mixing yellow, a primary color, and orange, a secondary color. Continuing on, we have yellow-green. Yellow-green is created by mixing yellow, a primary color, and green, a secondary color, to make yellow-green, a tertiary color. Next we have blue-green. Blue-green is created by mixing blue, a primary color, and green, a secondary color, to make blue-green, a tertiary color. To conclude the tertiary colors, we have blue-violet. Blue-violet is created by mixing blue, a primary color, and violet, or purple, a secondary color. When these two colors mix, we get a darker shade of purple. Now that we've discussed primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, let's talk about complementary colors. To understand what complementary colors are, you simply have to look at the color wheel. Across from each primary color is its complementary color. For example, right across from primary red is green, and also right across from primary blue is orange, and right across from primary yellow is purple or violet. In total, there are 3 pairings of complementary colors. Let's start with our first pairing, red and green. In this instance, One color is warm while the other color is cool. Red is the warm color while green is the cool color. Additionally, they balance each other out. For example, if you have a painting and you believe there's too much red in it, to counteract it, you would add green in that area to balance it out. And finally, there's one primary color and one secondary color. Red is primary while green is secondary. Next we have blue and orange. In this instance, orange is the warm color while blue is the cool color. Additionally, they balance each other out, and one is primary while the other is secondary. Blue is primary while orange is secondary. Our final complementary color pairing is yellow and violet or yellow and purple. In this pairing, there's one warm color and one cool color, with yellow being the warm color and violet being the cool color. And as always, they balance each other out, and yellow is primary while purple or violet is secondary. Now let's move on to our final topic, which is warm and cool colors. Warm colors take up the top half of the color wheel, known for being lighter and brighter, while cool colors take up the bottom half, known for being darker. Warm colors consist of red, orange, and yellow, while cool colors consist of green, blue, and purple, or violet. And that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you!